Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil with Simple Futures. It is December the 11th, Monday. You see a big gap on your charts. What is that? We rolled to the March contracts today. This week is triple witching week, where pretty much everything expires at the end of this week. And when we roll to the March, we have a 53-point premium in the S&Ps. It is, let's see, it's 210 NASDAQ, 300 and about 63 on the Dow YM. It's about 20 in the Russell and 27.5 in the mid-caps. Those are the spreads premium on the March contract over the December. So when you see this thing closes out on Friday and then big open up here, this is rolling from December to March. So it's pretty simple. Just buy the dip. Buy every dip. If you ever get a dip to buy, then buy it, because everything's just continuing, just higher and higher. This week's weekly pivot is 46.42. There's a old interquarter settle at 46.39. Those will be support on any retracement or target if you dare find a way to, find your way into a short for somehow. Then those would be the targets. But I think the target on the upside is 46.92. So we're going to go 46.92 on the top, I believe. So now let's see what else. This week is actually a pretty busy week. Tomorrow is CPI. Wednesday is PPI and the Fed rate announcement and presser. So Wednesday is a big day, and then Thursday, you got a BOE and an ECB rate announcement, and then also U.S. retail sales. So there's a pretty good bit going on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. Today was just a grind. We somehow got lucky and bought the low this morning, and we had 74 as target. IB extension was 75, so those both traded. I think it went out at like 77 on the ES on the top side up there. But like for tomorrow, tomorrow's CPI. Just, if somehow this thing happens to break, target that 46.40 area back there on that weekly pivot and end of quarter settle, and I'd be using those as support also and be targeting higher up in the I gave you the target, but basically 4,700. So that's what I got. Hope it helps, and find yourself good trading this week. But be ready for, volatility Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And other than that, just, it looks like a smoke 'em if you got 'em kind of thing. I've been waiting for some kind of retracement to add to any longs, but there's just not been any retracement at all. It's pretty amazing, actually. Take care. See you again a little bit later this week.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me